NASDAQ this week has dropped in value. The price has started with this small bullish pin bar formed on a Monday, which was suggesting further rise in value. Usually when the pin bar forms here on the support level, indicates that move on the bullish side. But then the price formed a strong bearish candle. We can see that the price has gone all the way back down, reaching this support level right here on the uptrend trend line, which is acting as a support, but it was in between this resistance and the support level. Then for the 2 days, the price could not make a bearish breakout below this price level, bouncing back down, up and down, and then return on a Friday up, reaching 20,000, a resistance level, and it has stopped right here. Week has closed as indecision candle. We can see that after the price formed the previous week a bullish candle with a body where the price could not close above 20,000, a very important resistance level. This week the price has done the same. The price has closed at the same price as the week has started. Monthly, the previous month has closed as a bullish candle. We can see that where the price has closed above this area, 19736, which is a very important price level for the price, which means there is more room for the price to rise in value. And this is something that it is formed as a bullish pin bar with a small body, large wick on this side, smaller wick on the upper side. And currently it is right here. The price has started this week for 4 days in this month. So what we can expect? As it looks right now, I'm expecting there is more room for the price to rise in value because of this bullish breakout. So there is a possibility that the price goes above. But we can see first 20,000 is very important level, and we have seen that just a minute before we go on the small time frame. On the lower side, we can see 19,500 is very important as support level. 19,500 is very important support level. We can see that on the daily time frame. But on the weekly, we have a decision candle. This is usually means if the next week the candle closes above, this will be a very great signal for the bulls continue to rise in value. Before that happens, we need to see the daily time frame, and the daily time frame is on the verge to go above and making a bullish breakout about 20,000. This is a very important information for now for the bulls. So what I'm expecting as it looks right now, there is high probability that the price will continue to rise in value. Monthly time frame suggests that. Weekly has also suggesting a pattern of the candles that is suggesting further rise in value, and we need only to wait on the Monday that the price makes a bullish breakout above, going above this support level, this resistance level, making a bullish breakout. Now for that we'll see what happens. Waiting, it is the best to follow the trend and also follow the market than chasing the market. Now these support and resistance levels, and also the demand zone and also supply zone, is very important level, and put them on the right spot, on the correct place. This is the strategy that I'm currently using. And if you would like to check to get that PDF with the details about trading, you can get that from the link below in the description. You get inside an email this PDF, so you can also check it and see what I'm doing. This is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.